America came under attack today from international terrorists on a scale that made it more an act of war. The center of New York is still smoldering with America's two tallest buildings in ruins.
You have 210-story office buildings. You don't find a desk. You don't find a chair. You don't find a telephone, a computer.
All by force and popping out.
It was if they had detonated.
Yeah,
as if they were planning to take down a building.
All the way down. I was watching.
Yeah, this was you know it makes sense, 2010. Speaking truths. Look, listen, learn, yeah. Yo, people look to the stars for the meaning of life. What the seeker to find deceitful with the reason to lie. We're constantly being watched even in eagle's eyes. You need to look close to home to see the eagle in flight. We're eager to fight our own species and believe that it's right, but dismissing external threats will leave us bleeding inside. Most feeble the minds can't comprehend, they can't see the consequence. Ignorance is bliss to sleep in peaceful at night. Since Jesus arrived in our mind, people reach for the sky. That answer staring you in the face like the all-seeing eye. I read it and write, but people deny its own existence. So they create a distance in between it to hide. With a peace by the side, they feel safe. Glad so they conceal fate. They never fuss on 9/11 and neither did I. The people that died were victims of deleterious lies. Most evil the crimes completed with a lethal design. Don't believe me? Watch the collapse again. To me that's demolition. I saw no terrorism as government intention. Listen, did you hear terms like Osama and terrorist and Al-Qaeda at all before those planes ever hit? Course like you never did. Inventions to strike fear so they could come with white tears. But I know who the menace is. Offenders that remember what September 11th is. The dawn of the new world order, that's where the ending is.